In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple customer journey that combines email and SMS follow-up. We're going to build this inside the automations area, and the goal is to create a clean workflow that starts with an email and then follows up strategically using a delay or split before sending a text message to the subscribers you want to reach through another channel. To begin, go to the left side sidebar and click on the automations menu. This is where you'll manage advanced marketing sequences and behavior-based workflows. Once you're inside, choose Customer Journeys. This section is designed for building visual automation flows, so it gives you a canvas where each action connects in a logical sequence. From there, create a brand new automated workflow canvas. Starting with a fresh canvas helps keep the journey organized and makes it easier to see exactly how each step connects. If you're building this for the first time, take a moment to get familiar with the layout before adding anything. A clear structure now will save time later when you need to review or adjust the automation. Next, drag a standard send email action onto the starting track of the workflow. This email will act as the first touch point in the journey, so place it directly in the main starting path. Make sure it's positioned as the opening communication in the sequence. In most cases, this email is used to introduce an offer, share an update, or encourage an initial action, so it's important that it sits at the very beginning of the flow. After the email is in place, add either a time delay or an action split immediately after that email step. This part is important because it controls what happens next. A time delay gives your audience a window to open and engage with the email before the automation continues. An action split, on the other hand, can help route contacts based on what they did or didn't do. Choose the one that fits the logic of your journey, but make sure it comes directly after the email so the sequence remains properly structured. Then drag a dedicated send SMS action block next to that branch so you can target the subscribers who did not open the email. This is a useful cross-channel follow-up because it gives you another opportunity to reach people who may have missed the original message in their inbox. Position the SMS step so it clearly follows the non-opener path, keeping the journey easy to understand and maintain. Once everything is connected, review the flow carefully to confirm the path is correct and the communication order makes sense. That's how you build a straightforward